Class 8, Chapter Science, Chapter 1, Crops Production. हम क्वेश्चन आंसर पढ़ेंगे. TBQs. What is meant by food crops and case crops? Food crops. Answer: food crops. Crops that are grown as food from humans and animals. Case crops. Crops that are grown to sell for profit but not for the use by farmers like tobacco or cotton. Question 2. What is agricultural practice and what are steps involved in this practice? Answer 2. The task undertaken by a farmer over a period of time is called agriculture practice. Some steps involved in the agriculture practices are preparation of soil, selection and sowing of seeds, addition of manure and fertilizer, irrigation, weeding, crops protection from pests and diseases, harvesting, threshing and winnowing, and storage. Question 3. What is GMO? Answer 3. G stand of GOM. नहीं, GMO. Genetically modified crops. Question 4. What is meant by biogeochemical cycle? Answer 4. The flow of nutrient between the living organism and non-living environment takes place endlessly. These cycles are called biogeochemical cycle. Question 5. Name the major biogeochemical cycle occurring in nature. Answer: नाइट्रोजन साइकिल. अब पढ़ेंगे हम शॉर्ट आंसर. इससे पहले जो पढ़ा है वो वेरी शॉर्ट था, ये शॉर्ट है. गिव 2 एग्जाम्पल ईच ऑफ खरीफ एंड राबी क्रॉप्स. खरीफ क्रॉप्स राइस, मिलेट, सुगर केन. राबी क्रॉप्स wheat, barley, gram. Question number 2. How is labeling of soil done? Answer: the labeling of soil is done with the help of leveler. A leveler is drawn by animal or by a tractor. The field is labeled for sowing as well as for irrigation. Question 3. Why is it important to sow the seeds at the right depth and at the proper distance? Answer 3. The seeds sow at the right depth allow enough air and sunlight so that germination is not affected. If they are sown on the surface of the soil, they may be eaten by bird, and if they are sown too deep, they may not get enough air to respire. Second point. Proper distance between the seeds from each other allow the plants to have enough space to grow and not compete for water, nutrient and sunlight. Question 4. What is ammonification? Answer: the process of conversion of organic nitrogen into ammonia is called ammonification. Question 5. How are weeds removed from field? Answer: the weeds are removed manually manually with the help of a trowel or a harrow by re- reforting or cutting them close to the ground. Also removed when the soil is tilled before sowing seeds. Spraying weedicides may effectively control weeds, but it harms the main crops also. हो गया.